Good morning. I'm about to go to breakfast with a friend. Well, more like lunch at this point, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit. It's this Madewell denim romper, and I think it's so cute. It's honestly really comfortable to wear, and I've got on my white Fry sneakers and my Angela Roy bag, and then I've got on my star earrings. I have not worn a romper in quite some time, so I love that this one is denim, and it's honestly so comfortable.
This is Kelsey. We're at Milk and Honey in the Gulch on a Saturday. It was a really bad idea. But we're here, and Kelsey was on the tour, so if you watch any of the tour vlogs, she was there.
I was.
But we got their hash with extra potatoes. I got the same thing, and then we got this biscuit. Look how big this biscuit is.
It's crazy.
Yes. We decided we would split it, because this is like the biggest biscuit ever.
It's so much food.
Yay! Okay, now we're walking around the Gulch. You guys can't see this line. This line is for this mural. Also the party bus. What is Nashville turning into? Look at them all stand in line.
We're inside the new Winky Lux in Nashville in the Gulch, and it is so cute. I've never been in here. I was invited to their event, but I couldn't go for some reason. But this is so cute. I wish I had gone. This is not real. This is so sweet. So they have all of these different photo opportunities. Like, this is so cute. So you can come in here and try out all the makeup, use the rooms, get your photos taken. It's so cool. So I'm at Urban Outfitters right now trying on a dress, and I thought this would be really cute because it's very much on sale, but I think it might be a little too tight. We are living our best lives now. Yes. Okay, so I wasn't gonna get this dress, but I got it in a medium, and I thought it was $20 on sale. $5. I got it for $5. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get home. But now we're getting coffee. Wait, show me your straw.
Oh yeah, the fast straw.
So I just got home and I touched up my makeup because I'm about to start filming a try-on haul, but I wanted to do a small unboxing of some stuff that I've gotten in this week and show you guys some pieces that I just got from Everlane. So I just got a tote bag from Harvest. I've had one of their handbags before and the quality is unreal. You guys, this bag is Dusty Rose. It's like a beautiful blush color. Look how pretty this is. So this bag can hold a 15-inch laptop, which is why I got this one. It has a double handle system, so you can hold these top handles or you can use these as shoulder straps. So it's this beautiful blush color. I am so stunned by how gorgeous this is. It's a very structured bag, so you don't have to worry about your laptop bending it out of shape. I'm gonna link this company down below because I've worked with them before and I've never seen a more beautiful color. I mean, this is so pretty, and you could put like textbooks in it or your laptop, and they have different size totes, but this one fits the 15-inch. The inside is like a suede almost. It's super soft, and then on the inside is a little pouch to hold smaller items, which I love for tote bags because I feel like big totes you can always like lose stuff in there and you have to dig around for it. So you can put your wallet and smaller items like your keys in this, but I love that this comes with it. This would be a really nice work tote. So yeah, I love this color. So this is what the bag looks like. As you can see, it's pretty big, so you can hold a ton of stuff. I love that I'm able to throw it over my shoulder. I've always just worn a backpack, so I feel like this is like a major upgrade. So now I'm gonna show you guys a few things from Everlane that they sent over. I just joined their affiliate program, which I'm honestly so excited about because I love Everlane. I love what they stand for. I love their mission, and their clothes are so classic. It's definitely my style. So I'm excited to get to share some of these pieces with you. It's not very often that they just send out pieces pieces to influencers and bloggers, but they were super excited that I do all the thrifting stuff, so they figured it would be really in line with what I do, and they felt like you guys would really like it. They sent 3 things over. The first piece is the most beautiful color. You guys, I have been very into this like blue purple color. As you can see, it matches my nails. You guys will also be happy to know that the Urban Outfitters dress I got is also a gorgeous purple blue color, so very into that. But this is a dress and it has a tie around the waist. It feels so nice. I think this one is actually silk, but it's ethically made and they're a very transparent brand. They have all of their information on their website of where the money goes and how the products are produced and stuff like that. So I feel like their brand is so cool. You guys should check them out. I will link it down below, but this dress is so pretty. So I'll try this on for you. So this dress needs to be steamed, but this fabric is so nice. Like, this feels like a really solid dress. I love the way that this fits. It has a tie in the back, which is super cute, and the front of it is just adorable. I love button-down dresses, and I also love that it has a collar. So this is like a really classic piece, and this color is so pretty. The next piece that I got is this linen top, which I love this color. I love yellow, and it looks like it kind of has a little bit of a cropped fit, so it shouldn't be too long. I need to steam this, but I feel like this is going to be really nice in the summer because it's so lightweight. And the last piece that I got from them are a pair of shorts. These ones are just a white pair of denim, and I have been really collecting white denim lately apparently, but these ones are super nice quality and they're high-waisted, so big fan of that. And this is the yellow top. I love this top so much. It's so lightweight. It's really beautiful. I love the pale yellow, and these shorts fit like a freaking dream. I am obsessed with these shorts. They are so flattering. They feel so nice. Like, they feel like really great quality. For the top and the dress, I got an extra small in both, so I feel like these are true to size, but definitely check your pant size or your short size. This is such a cute look. I really want to shoot this look. I feel like it's so simple and summery, but yeah, I love Everlane pieces. They are incredible quality and their mission and everything is really cool. So this is the dress that I got at Urban Outfitters for $5. I tried on the extra small in the dressing room and it was way too tight. So this is actually a medium, but I love the way that this fits. The neckline is so cute, and this color is literally the exact same color as my nails. But $5, you guys, like, what? A cup of coffee costs more than this dress. Like, this was such a steal. I'm so glad I got it. And honestly, when the cashier was like, it's $5, I was like, are you serious? Because I thought it was $20, and $20 was such a deal. This dress was originally $80 and I got it for $5. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Come say hey in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you back for some more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!